You're going to love the 2013 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe is waiting for you to take home. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.